The text, with its dialogues and reflections, takes place during the period of the Warring States, 475–222 BC, a period of great turmoil and geopolitical restructuring when the vassals of the then titular sovereign, Zhou dynasty, deserted, and they declared independent from Zhou, thus becoming kingdoms in their own right. It is in this context that analects must be read and interpreted. Due to the regionalism and factionalism that plowed China at the time, Confucius describes what is required by individuals, communities, and local and national governors for the reconstitution of a unified, harmonious, peaceful, and orderly society. Thus the reader will find again and again Confucius' emphasis on the need to respect elders and authority figures, the need for all members of society to observe and abide by traditional rituals and ceremonies, and the need of all people, especially those who rule, to cultivate the highest moral virtue, which Confucius calls manhood. This single virtue, says Confucius, is enough to guide one's actions away from evil and crime towards justice and peace. Along with manhood, Confucius adds the need to cultivate a sense of filiality, or filial piety, which is a love and respect for elders and authority figures. A population, Confucius says, who has internalized this sense of filial piety will be a people who ultimately govern themselves and therefore allow the best form of government by politicians to govern with the least amount of coercion and punitive force.